Looking for a reliable way to clamp thin, rectangular, or round parts for your wire EDM jobs? The System 3R-239.20 compatible 3-ruler kit from Rapid Holding Systems gives you the versatility and precision you need all in one complete setup. This all-in-one clamping solution includes one 3R-239.1 compatible ruler vise, ideal for holding rectangular workpieces, one 3R-239.20 compatible low-profile holder, perfect for thinner parts, one 3R-239.20 compatible V-holder, designed for round workpieces, also included for convenience and precision, a 3R-91410L compatible 8 torque wrench, Allen keys, 3mm and 4mm compatible tools, everything you need for fast, repeatable setups. Fully compatible with System 3R tooling, this kit helps you reduce scrap, improve repeatability, and cut setup times dramatically. High quality, fully compatible, ready to ship. Order your 3-ruler kit now, only from Rapid Holding Systems.